Hello students of class 7. Today we'll start class 7 geography chapter number 3 movement of the earth. Millions of years ago our earth did not look like what it does now. This was explained by Alfred Wegener, a German geoscientist in the theory of continental drift in 1912. This theory proposed that our earth was one hug land masses and that there was only one सुपरकॉन्टिनेंटल कॉल्ड दी पेंगुआ. हमारी अर्थ जो कि हम आज देखते हैं मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स पहले बिल्कुल ऐसी नहीं थी. ये बात हमें अल्फ्रेड वेगनर ने अपनी थ्योरी कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट में 1912 में बताई थी. उनकी थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग हमारी अर्थ एक हग लैंड मास है और इसका सिर्फ एक ही सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट है जिसको हमने पेंगुआ कहा है. With the passage of time, the Pangea broke into two separate land masses, Laurasia and Gondwana land. Over a period of time, these two land masses began to disintegrate further into different land masses. This disintegration and movement continued till the Earth reached its present-day position. The given figure of the continental drift shown the different stages of the drift. Let us learn more about this movement of land masses. We know that the crust is the topmost layer of the earth. हम जानते हैं कि जो crust है वो हमारी अर्थ की सबसे ऊपर की लेयर है. This crust consists of 7 major tectonic plates. और जो हमारी crust है वो 7 major tectonic plates से मिलकर बनी है. और ये प्लेट्स हैं पैसिफिक प्लेट्स, नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट्स, साउथ अमेरिकन प्लेट्स, यूरेशियन प्लेट्स, अफ्रीकन प्लेट्स, इंडो ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेट्स एंड एंटार्क्टिक प्लेट्स. These plates are continuously moving, though their movement is extremely slow. The reason behind the movement of the lithosphere plates is the high temperature at the core of the earth. The heat generated by the core makes the tectonic plates move away or come closer. जमीन के नीचे हाई टेम्परेचर होने के कारण ये जो प्लेट्स हैं ये मूवमेंट करती रहती हैं. प्लेट्स मूवमेंट, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लेट मूवमेंट: कॉन्वर्जेंट, डाइवर्जेंट एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म. Convergent plate movement, it occurs when two tectonic plates move towards each other and collide due to the forces of comparison. When these plates collide, the rock layers of the earth get folded. This process is known as folding. It results in the formation of fold mountains. A fold mountain has a downfold or valley and a fold or ridge known as synclinals and anticlinals respectively. The fold mountain can be categorized into old fold mountains and young fold mountains. Old fold mountains were formed about more than 200 million years ago. These mountains have been eroded and have rounded peaks. The Aravallis in Rajasthan and the Alps in Eurasia are example of old fold mountains. Young fold mountains were formed only 60 to 70 millions of year, यानी कि ये हमारे 60 to 70 millions year ago ही बने हैं. They are very high and have pointed peak. और ये बहुत बड़े होते हैं और इनकी जो पीक होती है वो पॉइंटेड यानी कि नुकीली होती है. Deep valleys and parallel ranges, the Himalayas and the Alps are example of young fold mountains. Divergent plate movement, it occurs when two tectonic plates move away from each other due to the forces of tension. Due to the tension, vertical faults or cracks are created along the lines of weakness in the crust. This process is known as faulting. Sometimes a part of the crust between the cracks sinks down and forms a valleys. Such a sunken valley is called a drift valley. or Garban. The Nanda and the Tapi valleys in India are example of a drift valley. And last movement is transform plate movement. It occurs when two tectonic plates horizontally slide past each other. This leads to tremendous friction and result in volcanic eruption and earthquakes. Volcanoes. A volcano is an opening on the surface of the earth through which a molten material or magma, ash, and hot gases come out. The top of the volcano has an opening known as a crater. When the eruptor molten material forms layer after layers and pile up around the opening, it creates a cone shaped mountain. दिस इज नोन एज अ वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन. जब हमारी अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है, अर्थ के अंदर जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, तो उसके बढ़ने से ज़मीन के अंदर एक हलचल होती है और उस हलचल के कारण हमारे वॉल्केनोज आते हैं. अब वॉल्केनो का जो सबसे ऊपर का हिस्सा होता है उसे हम क्रिएटर कहते हैं, और वॉल्केनो के अंदर से जो मैग्मा बाहर निकलता है, जो धरती पर गिरता है, उसको हम लावा बोलते हैं. और ये लावा जिन रास्तों से निकलकर धरती के अलग अलग भाग में जाता है उसे हम वेंट कहते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ वोल्केनोज. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ वोल्केनोज: एक्टिव, डोरमेंट एंड एक्सटिंक्ट. Earthquake. When two tectonic plates slide past each other, they produce vibration or tremor. These sudden vibration are called earthquakes. They can also be caused due to the volcanic eruption. और जो volcanic eruption के कारण धरती के अंदर जो हलचल होती है उससे हमारे earthquakes आते हैं. The place from where the earthquake originated is called the focus. Students, I hope you understand this chapter. Now we meet again in our new video. Okay, bye students.